Hi Bill, I put together a video for you which highlights some of the features of my company's new online SAT course. It consists of both on-demand videos addressing every topic covered on the SAT, as well as videotaped explanations to more than 1,800 actual SAT questions. I think the test-taking component of my course would be extremely valuable to Mercersberg highly achieving student body. Many of your students are only missing a handful of questions on each test, and what they need to do is to learn how to answer these question types when they take the SAT that counts. Okay, question number 19, we were told that our triangle here, XYZ, is equilateral, and each of the sides has a length of 2. So basically this is 2, and that's 2. I think it's safe to say that most of your kids are already doing some form of live SAT prep work, either classes or private tutorials. Because of the way they learn, I think it's important for today's students to have access to some form of online support as well. In addition to nearly 2,000 videotaped explanations to real SAT questions, the College Insights online course consists of more than 20 hours of on-demand videos reviewing every concept tested on the SAT, a great tool for a kid who has some gaps in middle school or another student in Calculus AB who hasn't seen basic math in years.
Inverse variation is kind of the opposite. As one quantity grows, the other quantity decreases. Let's think about the rate, time, and distance formula that we have. If a car is driving 240 miles at 60 miles an hour, it's going to take 4 hours. If the car were to drive twice as fast, it would take half as long. Let's try a question that deals with inverse variation.
The course also teaches strategies and techniques for answering all of the question types found on the SAT.
Vocab and context questions can be among the easiest questions on the reading section, and we're going to take a methodical approach. First of all, don't even look at the answers until you've done some work on your own. You want to find the sentence with the word that they're asking about, read the sentence before, the sentence itself, and the sentence after. Then, cross out the vocab word that they're asking you to define and plug in your own word that defines it best. Then you're ready to look at the answers and find the answer that's closest to the word you plugged in.
The course is also computer adaptive, which means that students are delivered videos which focus on the strategies and techniques most beneficial to their scoring level.
So your math score was above 600, which officially makes you good at math. You're going to answer virtually all the questions in the math section, but the trick for you is to get selective when you get to the end of a section. Remember, if you just answered the first 3/4 of the questions in a section correctly, your starting point would be a 620. All the remaining questions would be the questions that get you from 620 to 700 or above.
Finally, our course has a really fun video vocabulary component which uses YouTube links to demonstrate the meanings of some highly tested SAT vocab words.
No, I know, it's so silly. Think about it? Yeah, I can't believe it.
Oh, that's pretty silly.
Oh, it's such a nice day.
Yeah, it really is.
Yeah, speak for yourself. You're not crammed in this bag. Move over, dude. Why don't you move over and stop being such a fluffy face? Whoa, you kiss your mom with that mouth?
Oh, that's it. Yeah, whatever.
Yeah,
let's go. Whatever on that one, buddy.
Yeah, whatever. Hey, put me down. What the? Where are they taking Steve? Where's Steve going?
Put me down.
Tell me that's not a great mnemonic for the word trepidation. I hope this short video kind of whet your interest and you're a little bit more curious about our College Insights online course. I left another link in the email which shows a little bit more in depth what our course does and the pricing for boarding schools. And I look forward to talking to you soon. Take care.